Alright, got another Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle pack and some delightfully awful weather. So let's get into it. Don't know what's going on in Washington right now because we have snow and pouring rain and everything in between going on and all in just a little spot, but it's okay. Alright. Ragamuffin Raptor, Pain 101, Retro Mutation, Uneasy Alliance, Mauser Attack, Guac and Marshmallow Pizza, Crustacean Commando. I don't think I've gotten that one yet. Go Ninja Go. Lita Little Orphan Amphibian. New Generations Technique. Leonardo Big Brother. Kitsune Dragon's Daughter. And Foil Punk Frogs. And of course, Arlan, the TCRI building. And our token. I like that token, that's cool. Alrighty. Well, thank you for watching this video. And I will see you on the next one.